This is Paradise Found. Stepping out onto my deck this morning on Saturday. Last night it got down to 24 degrees, pretty hard frost, and that equates to -4 Celsius. And as you can see, it's raining leaves now. They're falling. Look at the ground. It's completely covered in leaves from all of our trees. And a lot of the leaves are down already. Like this tree here, there's not many leaves up in this one left. But there's, I'm thinking we got probably at least half the leaves down. So leaf pickup is a big job here at my house because of these. We got so many towering maple trees. But the leaves cover everything. You can see the deck just covered in leaves. So this time of year, this creates a lot of work. Crazy. They look beautiful, and I do admire them when I'm driving, but when I come home, yeah, well, all the colorful trees mean a lot of work for Papa Bear. So anyway, interesting. I don't know if what you have in your part of the world. And you can see it's raining leaves. They're falling all over the place. As soon as I think it's from the big frost last night. You know, as soon as we get that heavy freeze, and then I'll tell you what, if there was some wind, they fall like crazy. Because right now there's not much wind, just a little bit of a breeze. So anyway, thought I'd share. Thanks everybody. God bless. Paradise Found out. Well, maybe I'll get in this one. It's a good morning here on Saturday. Thanks for watching.